Hey seniors, I'm just sitting here in my Google Meet all by myself. Nobody has come except for Posey. So I'm going to go ahead and end it because I guess we're not coming today. But I'm going to show you what it is you're supposed to be doing today. So in my class for today, I had actually asked you last week to go ahead into my message, which asks you to complete what we call a no red ink user profile. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy and paste this link, and I am going to start a new tab, which I'm going to bring over here, and I'm going to show you what you need to do for me to be ready for the rest of quarter two, but also into quarter three. I will tell you that one of the things that seniors who have graduated come back and say to me the most is, Miss Tinty, I really wish that I would have had a little more practice with grammar. Especially, the kids who come in and they are having, are in college. And, some of the grammar stuff that we learn in English class, like in level 1, level 2, still is stuff we have to practice, right? And so that's what this No Red Ink website is for. And if you were in my level 2 class a few years ago, we actually signed up and made these accounts. But I'm going to have you make new accounts. You're going to use that link. It says something like Hungry Lake 79. They just pick up random words and numbers. But that's the link you're going to click on. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. It says, are you ready to join Miss Tinty's ELD 12 period B class? And you're going to be like, yes, I'm ready. I can't wait. So you're going to click on sign up as a student. And down here, you are going to put your name. I'm actually going to sign myself up as a student. I'm going to do my first name and I'm going to do my last name. My username is going to be stinty, and then it asks you to make a password. So I'm just going to make up a password. You'll do the same. You can put in your email address. That means if you ever get logged out or you can't remember your password, you can go there to be able to see what your password is. You're going to sign up as a student. Now, when you sign up as a student, it's going to do something kind of funny. It's actually going to give you some options for things you enjoy. They want to make a profile that matches who you are as a student. And so I'm just kind of looking at some of these things. It's like, okay, I really like this show Blackish. It's one of my favorite shows right now. That's something I'm interested in. Let's see, what else? What other kinds of Black Panther is good. I like Crazy Rich Asians. I read that book. Hamilton is a favorite of mine. I like Hidden Figures. So I'm just kind of choosing some of the movies that I like. Okay. Oopsies. It will give you the option to do more than just what I showed you. Actually, I want to go back and keep showing you the interest. So I picked some movies. You scroll down, it actually gives you more options. You can talk about friends. So pick the name of a friend of yours. You know who's my friend today? Posey, because he came to my Google Meet. So I'm going to put him as my friend. I'm going to put another student as my friend. I'm going to put my husband as my friend. Okay, I'm just going to add the names of a few of my friends. How about Kanichiwa? She usually comes to my Google Meets. She's my friend. So I've added these things in. If I had a pet, I could put my pet's name in. What animated characters and superheroes I might like. I don't know. Wonder Woman maybe, or Superman. Whatever you're into. You can choose football players, soccer players, musicians. And if you guys know who any of these people are, I don't, really know who all of these people are. But hey, you can pick out some people. Oh yeah, Cardi B. Everyone loves Cardi B, right? BTS, of course. Gotta love that boy band. So, just kind of pick the people who you're interested in, whatever they may be. Some of these are really old. But pick what you're interested in, okay? Then you're going to get down. Oh, I love Shakira. Okay, then you're going to continue through with your interests. They have soccer players. Those of you that are interested in soccer, all these soccer players. Take some time, customize your profile because you are going to be using this website, for the rest of the year. Once you get there, you're going to hit continue. And once you hit continue, you're going to see what your assignments are. Your first assignment for this class is going to be a diagnostic test. A diagnostic test is a 32 question test, and it tells me what you already know about grammar, mechanics, usage, and style. And then at the end, they're going to show you how close you are to mastery on each topic, and that's going to show me what you need to learn and what you already know. So we'll click Let's Go. It says, which option is true based on the sentence below? Last Sunday, my classmate Drew delivered a giant chocolate bunny to Rachel Chu's house. So one of my classmates delivered something to another one of my classmates. Does this tell me I have many classmates or I have only one classmate? I have many classmates. The roller coaster, one of the largest in the world, made Gus Waters giddy with excitement. All right, highlight the words that make up the appositive phrase. You might be like, what is an appositive phrase? Well, if you don't know, guess. If you know, do it. So you're just going to take some time, show what you need, drag a comma. Sam told the genie, where does the comma go? Oh, okay, right here. Now click cheese to capitalize it. Okay. So it's just asking you to click on some punctuation, look at things, you can change things. You're basically taking a test and just seeing what you know. Okay, submit answer. Okay, when there's no error, just some sentences like this one are already correct. Okay, so that was a punctuation test. Now I'm going to take a test on some context. So you're just going to go through and you're going to take this test. It's going to take you a little bit of time, but that's okay because I need to know what you know so we can continue to use this for the rest of quarter 2 and into quarter 3. So when you're done, it will give me an overall view of what you know, and you'll get to see what that is too. That's all I'm asking you to do. This is 4 points if you do it, 0 points if you don't do it. I'm going to put this in the summative category because that's how important it is. If it's done, it's a 4. If it's not done, it's a 0. Okay? If you have any questions, call me, text me, or email me. I'm happy to help you. Again, please, please, please complete this by the end of this week at the latest. I wanted it done by today, but nobody did it. So please spend some time on this. It will help you grow your grammar skills in English, which you are going to need no matter if you're going to college or if you're going to trade school or if you're going to work. We're all going to be asked to write emails at some point in time, and we want to make sure we have the proper English grammar so we sound intelligent and knowledgeable. All right, thanks guys.